What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self-Care presenting a new video about colon cleansing in home. We should clean our colon regularly. Maybe you are thinking it's very critical, but it is very easy to clean your colon. In this video I will show you some technique to clean your colon at home. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, home remedies for natural colon cleansing. There is nothing very complex to be understood. The term itself explains what it means, cleaning the colon. To elaborate, cleaning the colon by removing the trapped worms and toxins. There are many treatments available for colon cleansing, ranging from medicine to non-surgical methods. There are also these natural home and herbal remedies that are safe without any side effects. Water, the magical potion. We need to have lots of water during the day to keep ourselves hydrated and to keep our body organs properly functioning. So, do not deprive your colon or for that matter any organ of your body of water. Have at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. More when you are extra active, like if you play or run or work out and the like. Start your day with a glass of water. If possible, have warm water mixed with lime juice squeezed out from a lemon and a teaspoon of honey first thing in the morning. Apple, the nature's doctor. How many times have you heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, this is so true. Apple does wonders for colon cleansing too. Fresh apples as well as apple juice all can cleanse your colon to your health place. Salt, flush colon with it but cautiously. If you are a patient of high blood pressure or have some heart related medical conditions, you better avoid this remedy for colon cleansing. Even if you do it, please consult your physician, and only if your doctor permits, then you should go for a salt water flush, that too under his strict supervision. Triphala, Ayurvedic herbal remedy for colon cleansing. Triphala is an amazing herbal remedy recommended by Ayurveda. It's a fine natural laxative composed of three ingredients: amlaki, haritaki, and vipitaki. Bioflavonoids, vitamin C, linoleic oil, and phospholipids in Triphala promote bowel movement, leading to elimination of toxic materials from the body. As it is also high in nutrition, it is in itself capable of maintaining crucial body reserves without depleting them while eliminating toxins from the body. Just mix a tablespoon of Triphala in a glass of water and have it in the morning to let it work throughout the day. Fruits and vegetables high in fiber for everyday colon cleansing. Vegetables, though, does not sound as remedy, but are a very effective one to cleanse colon without any special effort. Fibers in vegetables help in keeping stool soft and thus improve the bowel movement, avoiding constipation. Fiber-rich veggies and fruits actually encourage your body to expel waste products on a daily basis, keeping your colon clean in natural way. Make it a habit to have a lots of fruits and vegetables in your diet. Leafy and fibrous vegetables like spinach, broccoli, peas, etc. are good for the purpose of cleaning colon. Fruits like raspberries, apples, pears, prunes, etc. are also good. So be a fan of vegetables and fruits and stay away from any toxins that your colon may embrace in lack of such food. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.